In this sphere, we are going to make an animation, but instead of being linear from value 0 to value 100. Let's make it start at a certain position. For example, at 20 steps. It starts moving to a position. It stays at that position. For example, up to 40, and from 60 it moves backwards up to position 80. And from 80, it continues in its original position. This is what the ramp function does. First, we create a parameter. It will have values between 0 and 100. And starting from 0, if we apply it to the sphere, we put it in X. Let's render the image so that it updates the parameters. To make it move 5 meters, let's divide it by 20. We would have this motion of waiting. Let's use the ramp function instead of multiplying by motion. We multiply by the ramp function, saying that the motion will start at point 20. Until point 40. There it will remain at the maximum value of 1, and at 60 it will decrease to a value of 80. And this applied to the value of the motion. The ramp function returns a value between 0 and 1. So if we want to move 5 meters forward, in this case it would be to multiply by 5. Before, movement was worth between 0 and 100. Now the ramp function will give us a value or result always between 0 and 1, so we multiply by the maximum distance, 5. Now we see that it moves from 20 until it reaches position 40. There it stops, and from 60 it moves back down to position 80. This can be used, for example, to move a drawer that opens and closes, or a door that also opens and closes.